So in the previous episode, I did the EPC on this property and it had the old storage heaters. I think it came out at a D55. So now I'm coming to re-inspect after the work has been done so I can reissue the EPC at a higher score. Let's hope it gets to a C69. So the work has been done. There's new quantums inside the house. So let's go and see how the EPC is improved. So we can see the cavity wall drill holes on the property in the wall. This is the new Quantum QM100RF. Another QM70RF. Block chimney in the lounge. Quantum 125RF. Compact fluorescent lighting. Double glazed, unknown date. Redundant underfloor heating thermostat. The dual rate meter. 280mm wall thickness. Left my tape measure at the last house. Rear elevation. And then there's that bit that protrudes from the back. More cavity wall drill holes. And then the passageway. Even though it's mid-terraced, because the roofs are adjoined, there's a passage between one of the houses that adjoins it, which increases the heat loss perimeter. Bedroom 2, Quantum QM70 RF, and then in the bathroom, bath and electric shower. The hot water is fed by a dual immersion. And there's more compact fluorescent lighting. And that's the hot water storage vessel. That looks, well, I measured it last time, it had 38mm of spray foam on it. And then there's the loft insulation, plenty of it. It's been recently moved around for the electrical works. So after completing my site notes, the previous score was a D55. And this one with the Quantums is now a D65. So it fell short of the target I was aiming for of a C69. However, there are other measures that can be done to get this up. Changing the windows from old unknown dates double glazing to post 2002 double glazing will add on 2. So 66, 67. And then we just, 7, 8, we just need 2 more points. This could be gained with solar thermal or PV, but putting doors at either end of the corridor would, between the two properties, wouldn't really add the points because it would still be an unheated space. So even though in reality it would be better, it would still be included in the EPC as part of the heat loss perimeter, unless there was a fixed form of heating within the passageway. Insulated doors may help, but they need to have the make and model of them to be added to the EPC. And I'm yet to see a door with a make and model on it, so it can be entered as an insulated door. Anyway, I'm glad you watched the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check the description for links to my free single sheet site notes. They really cut down the amount of printing and weight of your bag when you're doing your surveys. Anyway, thank you. Bye.